Hey, it's Steve from Objects Unlimited. So it's been about a week since we got our Titan up and going and installed, and man, am I loving this machine. I'm loving it for speed, I'm loving it for material cost, and I'm loving it for the really decent quality of prints that we're cutting out of this machine. So if you take a look at what's printing here right now, this part is pretty large. It's going to end up being about 3 feet high. I started this job less than 24 hours ago. If we were printing this on any other type of extrusion printer, I think I'd be about this high up. Right now we've run about 5 pounds of material through this machine, and I feel like I'm going pretty slow here. There's quite a bit of detail, so we're running around 10,000 millimeters a minute. With a little bit of adjustments here and there. Normally I would run around 3 to 4,000 millimeters a minute. I'm slicing this at 0.5 millimeter slice height, and with a 1 mil tip. Could certainly go longer, could certainly go faster, but it's still kind of new. We want to see what this machine can do, but first review on this. This machine is awesome. So this is a guy we made yesterday. This was 24 hours to print. Typically this would take me 75 to 80 hours. Not perfect, but not bad. This is ABS, this is not PLA. This can be outside, this can be in the sun, this will last forever. Also pretty easy to sand. So our next step is sand. We're gonna give it a thick coat of bonding agent, then we're gonna paint it, and it's gonna look amazing. 24 hours to make this is unbelievable. Weighs about 12 pounds. If you need to build big parts, you need to do it quickly and you need to do it cost effectively, this is the way to go. 25 kilograms of pellets for this machine cost me less than one single cartridge of filament. I get 25 kilograms for the same price as I get 800 grams of filament. It's incredible to me, the cost savings we're seeing. It's incredible, the time savings. And this just opens up so many possibilities. If you're making large parts, you need to make large parts quick, fast, and at a good price. Repeatable, this is the machine for you. Give us a call at Objects Unlimited. Be happy to talk about it and really explain to you the payback. When I first saw this machine, honestly, I thought it didn't make a lot of sense until I really looked at the numbers. Let me help you look at the numbers and let me explain why this makes sense. Incredible machine, the 3D Systems Titan. Check it out.